Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTech with the unboxing of the Hama Universal Turntable. As you can see, this is a full circle turning base for your monitor or for any other device that can be a screen, a speaker, your telephone or even a plant. So this is a low-cost solution for any device you want to swivel, like a monitor or a telephone here. As you can see in this picture, you have all the specifications on the back in various languages, and this is a really nifty and handy accessory for your devices. So let's open the box and check closely this product. You can just remove here this really thin tape, okay, like that, and let's open the box and check what's inside. Okay, first of all we have the turntable here, and it seems there's nothing else in the box, so let's unwrap this one. And okay, it seems we have a manual inside, so let's check this one. And okay, this is a leaflet type that you must unfold. There are all the specifications again in various languages. I don't think you can miss anything here. This is a really simple to use product, and let's check the turntable itself now. You have the logo here and the model. This is made of plastic, and okay, it swivels a full circle, and here we have the base with a plastic feet that will keep it firm on a flat surface, and it has these triangular shapes on the bottom and on the top. Here you can see the space between the two plates. Overall, a really useful product, a low cost and great purchase. So this is the Universal Turntable by Hama. Share your thoughts on this, feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from ADEXTech, thank you for watching.